Use this smaller wire to jump the high fan. Don't put your hands on it, it'll burn the crap out. 7 high-speed fan, jump 30 and 87. It is right there. Jump 30 and 87 to get the fans to work on low. And it's that one right there. Good. All right, the Allen that goes in there is 5 millimeters. The line that's underneath there, you're gonna have to hold that pipe and then push that thing onto a clips. Then you get the low side discharge, or these vacuum suction side on. 2017 City Ram. AC hose leak there, a little bit there. They come as 2 pieces. They gotta come with Seals dealer. This one here releases by squeezing the sides. I don't know if you can see the inside moving. And of course, it's underneath here. Yeah, the lights doesn't do no justice, but the fitting's there. The other one, 6 millimeters, Allen inside there. That one down there is 13. Then you gotta put all this other crap back together. Well, it all, after all that work, we gotta sand. One side, SAF sensor is the main problem. I take off this bracket right here. It goes to there because the screw head is too long and hits on this edge right here. Get one side of the fender. It's either unbolt the fender here, leave the ABS hanging, and do the same on the other side. Unbolt the air intake box crap, bolts there, and then you could lift it out of your way, or take the whole bracket off the bottom and take the thing out of the bottom. So either way it sucks. Look at this piece of shit. You can't get it out. You gotta take the whole bottom off, and the whole fender off.